it's Maylin. Today I will make a one-layer card using penny black stamp. I prepared a two-sized white cardstock and stamp and sentiments on the center of the paper. For the ink, I am using alcohol-free ink because I'm going to using alcohol-based markers for coloring. After stamping the sentiments, I will stamp all images on the empty areas. Everything looks good and going well, but I stamped it wrong area. So the image and sentiments are overlapping. So I created another one. This time I used the stamp positioning tool, so it helps me a lot. It's coloring time. I colored the background using green markers and giving accent color orange, and then adding shadow using gray color to all the images. Maybe you don't like the layout of the background because it's not smooth, even consistent, but I kind of like it. It doesn't matter for me how messy the backgrounds are. If you want to make a better background, you can use green papers or check out how to color large area with markers. You can find tons of methods from online. The sentiment is not standing out, so I draw white line with a gel pen around the sentiment. And done! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye!